My name is Jesnico Villarino from BSIT 3183. Today, I will present my simple login page developed using ASP.NET Core. This project demonstrates the basic concept of ASP.NET Core MVC. It includes model binding, C# models, data annotations, server-side validations, model state valid, controller actions, form submission, and redirect to action. This project does not use a database; instead it uses hard-coded login credentials as required. First, I'm gonna show you the login view model. It contains the username and the password properties. I also use data annotations to make both fields required. So next is the controller. The getLogin action displays the login page. The postLogin action receives the user's input. It uses model state is valid to validate the form. If the username is admin and the password is 122456, the user is redirected to the welcome page. Otherwise, an error message is displayed. So let's run the application. First, I will leave the both fields empty and click the login button. As you can see, the validation messages appear because both fields are required. So next, we will try the incorrect credentials. So the application displays invalid username or password. And finally, I will enter the correct credential, which is the username is admin and the password is 123456. After clicking this, I am redirected to the welcome page, which means the login is successful. So the conclusion of this project, it demonstrates the basic implementation of a login page using ASP.NET Core MVC with model binding, data annotations, server-side validation, model state is valid, controller action, and redirect to action. Thank you for watching.